everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I'm drawing healthy fruits. Let's draw and color together. Let's draw watermelon. Watermelon is not just yummy but it's super healthy too. Watermelon is made mostly of water, so it helps keep your body cool and hydrated. Watermelon has vitamin A, which is good for your eyes, and vitamin C, which helps you stay strong and not get sick easily. Watermelon is full of water and low in calories. Watermelon has antioxidants that protect your body. Watermelon is my favorite fruit. Do you like watermelon? Please comment below. Let's draw and color mango. Mango is called the king of fruits because it's super sweet and healthy. It's full of bright yellow color. Mangoes have vitamin C, which helps your body fight off germs. Vitamin A, which keeps your eyes sharp and your skin glowing. Mangoes have fiber that helps with digestion and keep your stomach happy. Mango is my favorite fruit. Is mango your favorite fruit too? If yes, please comment below. Let's draw and color an apple. An apple is a round, crunchy fruit that comes in red, green or yellow. Apple is most popular fruit in the world. Apples have fiber which helps your tummy feel full and keep your digestion happy. Apples have vitamin C which helps your body fight off colds and keeps your skin healthy. I love crunchy apple. An apple a day keeps doctor away. Do you like apples too? Let's draw and color orange. Oranges are juicy, sweet and full of healthy goodness. Oranges are best known for having vitamin C, which helps you stay strong and keep cold away. Oranges also help your body heal cuts faster. Oranges have fiber to help your tummy feel good and antioxidant that protect your body from getting sick. I love juicy oranges. Do you like oranges too? Please comment below. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.